еду за пчелами. I'm going to get my bees. Крашу мой улей. Painting my beehive. I'm using jungle green and drawing chrome gold. Желтая, зеленая такая. Джунгли называется. Цвет. This is 2 layers. Protect, it's friendly to bees. Дружелюбная к пчелам краска. И к животным, и к людям, к детям. Ну, пошло немного вот краски. Вот оно. Покрасила вот только вот там сколько там, не знаю, 100 миллилитров всего лишь.
Having taken the thinner one off, so they go on like that. You then take one of these. No, not that one. That one. That's a thin bottom bar, and they go across there, like that. That gives you the right distance. Right, so you've got that there like that. You then drop the piece of wax in, or what I tend to do is I tend to nail these on first. So the nails, they go at an angle through there, into the top bar there, straight into there, then round the other side you do the same, there and there. You then put your piece of wax in, and the top bar here you nail vertically down into the side bar, never that way, because if you do it that way you'll never be able to get the wax off. So if you want to replace the wax you couldn't without destroying the frame. If you put it in that way you can just knock that out. Put it that way, you're snookered. Okay?
And there it is, it's on there. Some on the back. And you think, right, need to find the queen. So you look. First of all, you move your box. Right? So you take your box, you put a new floor down on another stand, away from where this one is. You move this box onto that floor. I've already done something. What have I done?
Excluded the flying bees.
I've excluded the flying bees. Where's the flying bees going to go?
To where you've just moved the hive from.
There, that's right. So you've already done your swarm. You've already done your swarm control. Right? So you put a new box on there, empty box with all drawn comb in. Or if you haven't got drawn comb, foundation will do. In there, then you look for the queen there. Well, I know where she is because she's marked on the frame. So, find the queen. She's on that frame, she's in that bottom corner. She's marked yellow. Take her, put her in there. So now you've got your queen in there. All your flying bees are going to come back to you. The thing you've got to remember is you'll never get a swarm of bees if you haven't got flying bees, right? Because it's your flying bees that swarm. Your nurse bees don't swarm, your flying bees swarm. So all your flying bees are going to go back there, right? You then put your super back on it, with your crown board, stick the roof on, done. That's all finished with. This one here, you've got all your queen cells in here and your nurse bees. Right? That's completed with nurse bees, the way I've done that, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So what you do is, before you put it all together like that, you take frames of bees and you shape them into that box. Right? Because what you do is you put nurse bees in there. Because that queen's going to start and lay, so she has to have some nurse bees to incubate the brood. So that's what you do. You shake your bees in, put the ball back together, done, finished. This all has, now it has nurse bees and it has queen cells. You can forget about that. There's no flying bees in there, it's not going to swarm now. Because they're all gone there. That's not going to swarm because it's not congested. There's half your colonies over here now. So now you've got 2 colonies of bees. You've got a hive there and you've got a hive here. There's your split them. Now we've got 2 colonies to look after. What'll happen in here is the first queen out will destroy the other queens. Right? And this is called the Pagden method.
Like we were saying yesterday, we try and make sure there's only 2 or 3 queen cells in there.
Я еду за пчелами. I'm going to get my bees and get a lot of honey, hopefully. Rapeseed blooming. Эти цветы. Это будет много. Только он плохой, он кристаллизуется при температуре 14. It crystallizes around 14 degree. I brought them and they're alive. Я их привезла, они живые, слава богу. Одна пчела прилетела с нами. Все, я сделала ошибку, потому что вот этот ковер, он пошел волнами и заблокировал воздух. Я уже переживала, чтобы выжили. Уже и палок туда насывала. Вообще надо кусок дерева, чтобы был, потому что вот это вот ошибка. One mistake, Alena. I need solid block of wood here, because this carpet just went and waves and nearly blocked air. Да, и когда пошла этот вход открывать пчелам, и они на меня все как-то бросились в перчатки и на лицо, но никто не укусил, так чуть-чуть, так это, но вообще так они, перчатки, лицо, все облепили на брюки. Да, молодцы такие, хорошие сторожа. Strange, after this we all started to go out. I've done everything, so alright. This first hive was much friendlier. This one was a feisty, but alright. Some wax there, but I don't know what's going on there. So this is the first sting by my bee. It's not painful, but when you touch it, it's like hotter temperature of the skin and swollen a bit. But it's not painful. It doesn't cause any pain.